Hi friends, this is Dorian Wesley from teacherstudyhall.com. Today we're going to be talking about Bloom's taxonomy and how it relates to beginning or novice learners of a second language, intermediate learners, or advanced learners, or superior. So let's dive right in. If you remember from learning about Bloom's taxonomy, you know that there are cognitive levels ranging from the easiest or the most basic, which is the remembering level, all the way through the different difficulties until evaluating and eventually creating. So if you think about how this could relate to learners, you can think of the remembering level as the most basic language proficiency level, or novice. So students at the novice level are able to do tasks such as quoting back something, defining something or copying information, outlining, memorizing things, or identifying. So remember that these cognitive verbs are the ones that you might want to use when discussing instruction for those learners. And especially when you're writing a lesson plan, you want to think about what are my students able to do and show some variety and show some creativity in how you're putting your lesson plan together. The next level would be intermediate. So if you think about intermediate learners moving into the understanding level of Bloom's taxonomy in terms of their ability to express their cognitive development through language. So take a look here. You have things like summarizing information or relating to it, making a connection. They could categorize or paraphrase, predicting. You get comparing and contrasting at this level. So these are activities. Each of these are different teaching strategies you might use or objectives that you might have for your students that are learning to use their second language at this cognitive level. When you move on to applying, this would be the advanced level of learner. You see things like acting things out, reenacting scenarios, choosing or determining things based on the information that they can read, or they can execute or implement ideas or plans. They can examine things. They're starting to be able to experiment. They can interview. So these are some great ideas for some ways that you could make sure that you are showing your knowledge of advanced abilities in language by using cognitive verbs from this level. And of course, analyzing, evaluating, and creating would be for our superior learners at that level where they're able to organize and appraise, do advertising, questioning, different higher level functions they would be able to perform at these levels. So I hope this helps. Give it a shot and let me know if this helped you out in any way. Pop on over to teacherstudyhall.com and drop me a message. All right, I guess I talked long enough. Happy studying.